Check this monster out. Guys, welcome back to Greenthumbs Garden. If this is your first time here and you love gardening content, horticultural videos, ornamental plant care and DIY, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss on videos like this. So have you seen or guessed what we've got here? Well, the title's probably a bit of a giveaway, but this is one humongous mango. Now, just to give you a size reference, a normal mango that you'd find at the supermarket, like this one, would weigh around 350 grams on average. This gargantuan mango that I've got in my left hand is weighing 2 kilos. It's just unbelievable. I cannot imagine the tree that must be able to hold a bunch of these fruits just on one branch. I'm really looking forward to opening this up together. We'll give it a little taste. It started rotting on the top, and that's why the butcher gave it to me for free. But this would have cost me €9 if it was all in tip-top shape. I just cannot get over the size of this mango and the weight of it in my hand. Well, 2 kilos worth. You could weight lift with this thing and then eat it as a tasty, nutritious snack after your workout. Tasty and delicious. Let's open this up and see what it looks like, see what it tastes like inside. You know, mangoes, they go off quite quick, especially when they start fermenting. They get a little bit fizzy almost, so let's hope it's still got some nice flavour. This side still feels pretty firm and fresh, so we should be able to have a nice little taste, see what it's like, and then we'll have a look at the seed, see how big the seed is. The seed must be gigantic. Oh wow, it's really started rotting. But I can't complain, he did give it me for free. We'll try a little bit of the flesh down there, then we'll peel the rest of the mango off and see how big that seed pod is. So let's take a little slice of this, see what it tastes like. Check this out. I still can't get over how big this thing is. I feel like I've just cut off a slice of watermelon. Let's see what this thing tastes like, man. Oh yeah, that's good. That's fantastic. Full of sweetness. Just like the mango national that we get here growing in Spain, but they're about that size. This is from Brazil. I tried one the other day and it tastes rubbish. And it's not because the mangoes from Brazil are rubbish, it's because they imported. And obviously they pick them early from Brazil and then they've got to get shipped over. So you basically you're getting fruit that's not had time to ripen. That's why the mangoes in the season here in Spain, when the mangoes are coming from Spain, they obviously can let them ripen much more. They're much more sweeter. This just tastes like one of them, but it's like 4 times the size. It's fantastic. Oh, wow. We got to get one of these growing. We got to try and grow this seed. So let's strip that seed out now. Let's have a look how big it is. Then I'm going to dry it, and in a future video, we'll plant that seed, show you how you can grow your own mangoes from seed. That'll be in a future video. Let's cut that rod off. What a waste. But there's still some good mango there, which I'm happy about. Fruit flies can enjoy that. Let's get this seed out. Oh, it's just there, look. Oh, it's a big pod. Well, you're going to guess so, aren't you? On a mango that size. Wow. Oh wow, seed's already open. We could get the pod straight out now. Let's just show you that. That's the seed pod. And it's already open. That's our mango seed inside. Which is actually quite normal sized. So that's quite sad news. It seems like the mango's rotted a little bit too much and it's affected the inner seed, and I've not damaged it, but it sounds like that little inner embryo is broken off a little bit. I'm going to try anyway. I'm just going to wrap it in some damp tissue. I found that to be the easiest method, and I normally just keep the end bit free in case it starts growing. I just wrap it up in a damp bit of tissue like that and then pop it in a Ziploc bag, and a couple of weeks, about a week, should start seeing some growth. So I'll let you know how it gets on. We'll make a dedicated video on how you can grow mangoes from seed, and we can go into some of the different techniques that are available. Worst case scenario is the seed's no good and I'm going to have to find another one of these mangoes. I can go back to the butcher's shop. I'm sure he'll be getting more of these mangoes in. It was the only one he had. He had it on his wall like a big trophy, like he got it out of some Aztec temple or something like that. I can't get over it. Let's hope this little seed can grow, but if not, I'll have to go on a life quest to seek this tree and get more of these mangoes, especially seeds. I got to get something like this growing here. So guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you know what type of mango this is. I've never seen anything as large as that for a mango in my life. It's unbelievable. Let me know if you know what type or what variety it might be. The butcher, he didn't know anything where it was from, you know, the origins. He just says that it's grown locally somewhere in an ecological vegetable garden. So, well, I'll have to try and find the source. So let me know what you guys think. I've also just been working on this last week or two a gardening Discord server. I don't know if many of you are familiar with Discord. It started off as a platform for gamers to be able to hang out and chat and stuff, and it's just turned in and developed into this great way to make a community. So I've been working on that, and the links are in the description if you want to join. Post pictures of your plants, ask questions, get feedback and help from other gardeners, almost like a forum. So it'll be awesome if you want to join us there. Show us pictures of your cherries and other things that you've got growing in your vegetable garden. Guys, it's always been fun, as always, to show you especially this monstrous fruit. If you want to support the channel, then make sure you hit that like button. Leave us a comment, let me know how you're getting on, and share this video or a video from my channel to your friends. Help the channel to get more exposure. That's the best kind of support I could ask for. It's been fun, guys. I'll see you later.